Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we are just home and we are just here chilling. And today what are we doing? Breaking the nuts, the macadamia nuts. So before you start recording here, let's look for the stones for breaking. Okay, Nyambura has it. Fine, wait a minute. Wait. Yeah, it's almost. Oh, are your hands clean, you guys?
Yeah.
Because they have to be clean. Mine are clean. Pasha, yeah. Come help Nyambura to. We are not showing your face to peel.
Oh, she's peeling.
Yeah, there is for peeling. Bobo, your hands are clean.
Yeah.
You can come help remove them. These ones, the ones I'm breaking. No, these ones let's put here so that Bobo can move here and put in here. Like, I think that's enough. Okay, let me beat one more. Hey, you remember even as they were disturbing us, they are so dry. Here I am, guys. I just went out to enjoy my lunch. It's actually lunch come dinner because it's actually around 4 p.m. now. Today was just a lazy day with the kids, with my nieces and my daughter. We were just chilling at home, breaking the macadamia nuts, which we roasted, to roasting the chicken. And now we're having the lunch, and then we're going to just chill and call it a day as we get ready for a new week. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Subscribe if you haven't. Give them a thumbs up and leave a sweet comment. And as usual, I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.
Hi guys.
Don't get mad.
Today we're gonna be making. What are you gonna be making?
Chapati.
Chapati.
Chapati fam.
Chapati. Wow.
Chiperi. Okay, that's enough.
Again. Show my face.
I don't want to feel your face.
Wait, when you're recording and we're doing something, I'm always so nervous.
Don't be nervous. Nobody see your face. So just do whatever you do. Like this. Do like that, guys. Remember? Yeah, like that. Yeah.
Wait, are you going to cut it or it will be one big piece?
I'll cut it small. I don't know how to do one piece. So when you get tired, let me know so that I can finish it. It's tiring. You see, it's not easy. Hey, but I'm glad you helped.
Yeah.
That's enough.
I just want to punch it. It feels so, like
Through the night and morning, when the rain is pouring, you're the one I'm calling. You're my escape from my darkest days. And when the sun is shining, you know we out here riding, chasing the horizon with you. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like ooh, look no further, look no further. Ooh, look no further. It goes like ooh, look no further, look no further. Ooh, look no further. It goes like I never thought I'd find it. A love that feels so perfect.